Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host for today's webinar, Aisha Manzoor. I'm here on behalf of KHM Student Consultancy. KHM Student Consultancy, based in Pakistan, it is established in 2018, is a world-class service provider in educational and immigration to Europe, China, Australia, and USA. We are committed to provide the students the best quality education and consultation as much as we can. All the possible opportunities and all the possible quality education consultation. We have excellent educational partners across the globe. The impetus for the foundation of KHM Student Consultancy is in the desire of management to provide undergraduate and postgraduate students with a qualified consultation for international study programs abroad, and it is offered by international school, colleges, and universities. And what about the services? What services we are providing you, and how can you opt those opportunities, and how can you contact us? On behalf of KHM Consultancy, we KHM Students Consultancy team feel privileged and honored to introduce our foreign study programs in Pakistan. It is all based on international models for the provision of foreign study and counseling services. We are providing the opportunities to students for free of cost study programs in Italy and Germany. Other than that, we are providing other study programs with scholarships, partially funded, fully funded in Europe, China, Australia, and USA. So we are covering all your questions: how to find best study programs, how to get scholarships, how to write motivational letters, how to draft a CV according to international standards, and everything that is possible and everything that we can do for you. So today we are here to introduce our most awaited program, our most awaited opportunity. That is the Toronto School of Management. It is established in Canada. It is a private career college, designated learning institute, and it is a member of Career Colleges in Career Colleges Ontario. So basically, why should you go to Canada, leaving your own country, Pakistan? That is a basic question. So the things we have to consider here are the best job opportunities and the best educational standards and everything else. पाकिस्तान में रहते हुए भी आपके पास बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती हैं, but what can you do is to consider other opportunities and to apply for the higher ranks. So we are providing a new program here, ACCA. In Pakistan, ACCA has a good market, and here many good institutes are also giving you opportunities to study ACCA. लेकिन ACCA का जो एक स्टैंडर्ड आप बाहर की कंट्रीज में देखते हैं, जैसे UK and other countries, UK is the most you can say a famous country, a famous destination for ACCA. But now Canada is providing a great opportunity for ACCA. And the best university, Toronto School of Management, it is providing you an opportunity to study ACCA with staying in Canada and getting a great opportunity there with almost a good scholarship. And इसके लिए आपको कोई बहुत ज़्यादा आपको मार्क्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स ऑलवेज गेट डिस्टर्ब कि पता नहीं हम कनाडा जा रहे हैं तो क्या उनका एजुकेशनल स्टैंडर्ड होगा, क्या उनका एक बहुत ही हमें 90% ग्रेड्स की ज़रूरत होगी. नो, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. You can apply for it having 45% marks in FSC. और उसके लिए भी आपको FSC के लिए जब आप अप्लाई करेंगे, you can apply as a fresh candidate who is going for ACCA. Other than that, अगर आपने 3 एग्जाम्स अपने कवर कर लिए हुए हैं, 3 पेपर्स आपने कर लिए हुए हैं, 4 पेपर्स आपने कर लिए हैं, you can go directly there and you can pursue your ACCA likewise. So इसके लिए आज हमने एक हमारे गेस्ट हैं ज़ुहैब शकूर, और जिन्होंने आज हमें ज्वाइन किया और वो हमें असिस्ट करेंगे टोरंटो स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट के. ही इज द कंट्री हेड ऑफ टोरंटो स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड ही इज गोइंग टू how we can go there. About Shakur. Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. Thank you so much, Aisha, for such a
You're
nice
welcome.
introduction. And thank you for having me today.
We are really glad to have you here, and we really want to know that how we can go to Canada. You know, it is a question for running in mind of every student. Like adorable city, adorable country, and Toronto is like a great opportunity for us. So can you please assist us? Like, how can we go there? How can we avail those opportunities?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, you are absolutely correct that Canada is a dream destination for international students. It's one of the top destination and priority for international students when it comes to study abroad. And the reason is quite obvious. Canada has it has so much things to offer which other countries are not offering to international students. Canada uh, offers diversity. Canada offers a quality education, high standard living standards, and most importantly for South Asian students, Canada has the most flexible immigration policies for international students. Aisha, am I audible to you? I think there is a glitch. Hello? Hello? Am I audible, Aisha? Hello? Hello? Aisha, am I audible? Hello? Uh,
There was some kind of a connection problem, but now hear me, Sir Zuhaib. Okay, so I was telling you guys that what is the speciality in Canada? Why would you choose Canada over Pakistan, or why can't you study here, pursue your studies? There is not an issue that you can study in Pakistan, but whenever you see good opportunities anywhere, so you should go and opt those opportunities instead of waiting. So, if I talk about Toronto, it is the top. It is in the top 10 famous and peaceful cities all over the globe, and it is the safest city, you can say. It is multicultural. You will see many people talking in English, in Punjabi, in Urdu, in every language. You will listen there, and it is so good to live there. So peaceful. The food, the culture, everything so जाता है वो बात को great. So it's a great opportunity, and all other universities, they are offering you the many courses. The Toronto School of Management, it is providing many good scholarships also, and help us in this Toronto School of Management. Sir, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sorry for the technical glitch. It's a part of online sessions. So
Yeah, no,
anyway,
that's fine.
so sorry for the delay. So let's start about Canada, and then we will move to CCCA and our school of management. So as I was explaining that Canada has always been a dream destination for international students, and there are several reasons behind it. Academic excellence. One of the more important reasons why students choose to study in Canada is because of the high quality education. So when a student receives a qualification from Canada, it acts as a mark of trust and excellence throughout the world. Second is Canada offers education at very affordable fee structures. Tuition fee in Canada as compared to UK or USA is cheaper. It's a very less expensive option for international students. And considering return on investment, it is a very option for association students that you can apply. You can also apply for range of scholarships, cut down on your educational expenses. Okay. The third reason is cultural diversity. I find extremely warm people who come from varied ethnic groups, backgrounds, different countries, different cultures, different lifestyles. So the multicultural people living like in the country, and you will be amazed to know that Canada, in Toronto, 50% of the population in Toronto are foreigners. They do not belong. They were either not born in Toronto, or they are just immigrants. So these you find in Canada. Another option,
All right.
another reason to why study in Canada not increase. Education opportunities in Canada are very flexible as compared to UK or USA or Australia. Every country has its own immigration policy. So Canada has very flexible immigration policies for international students. Canadian post-study work permit allows a student to work in Canada up to 3 years after the completion of qualification, and also that can lead to
Yeah.
further options for settlements. So these are the reasons that makes Canada different from other countries. Now,
Yeah.
there are so many
Why to
institute
choose?
in
Yeah. Mhm.
there are so many institutions, there are so many education providers in Canada. So why study with Toronto School of Management? What makes us
Yeah.
different from other education providers in Canada?
Hmm.
So I would like to share a couple of points here about Toronto School of Management that are very unique and very interesting and attracting for our Pakistani students. So Toronto School of Management is when it comes to location, we are located in main downtown Toronto. Right? Toronto is the financial hub of Canada, and downtown Toronto is the financial hub of Toronto City.
Yeah.
Students have easy access to transport, easy access to visibility, easy access to tourism, easy access to everything. Right? I think my voice is not clear. Aisha?
I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect.
Hmm.
So yes, our location is unbeatable, right? Downtown Toronto is a financial and center of Toronto City, and you find lots of other famous other famous place in this location, like University of Toronto. There is a famous University of Toronto in surrounding. The famous public place CN Tower is located in our surrounding. Right? So there are so many things student can find, and Aisha, I'm getting a message that my voice is not clear.
Yeah, there is some distortion in your voice. Can you please check your internet? I guess there is some issue in your internet there.
I guess. So, okay, give me a second, please. Give me a second.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Take your time, please.
So, I have just changed my internet. Could you
Yeah,
please?
now it's good. Now it's
Okay, fine. So, should I restart from the beginning, or things were clear, quite clear, so I can move forward?
yeah.
Okay, so this was about
Yeah.
the location of Toronto School of Management, right?
Mhm.
The second reason that why students should choose Toronto School of Management. The second reason is that we offer, as you were explaining in the beginning, that Toronto School of Management is a private career college. So we offer pathway programs to bachelor's and master's degree through our diploma programs. We offer industry, relevant diploma programs that with work placement. So students who wish to pursue their bachelor's degree or master's degree can choose our diploma programs or ACCA program that will lead them to bachelor's and master's degree within 4 years or 5 years of period, and they will be getting to dual qualification. I'll explain that later.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, so
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
sure. Mhm.
So our programs, as I was saying, that our programs we are offering diploma programs with co-op placement, work placement. Now, what is work placement? What is co-op placement? We want to support our international students. In order to support them financially and with some experience and with some technical knowledge, we offer them a co-op placement. So co-op is a kind of internship, but the difference between internship and co-op placement is that the co-op placement, in most of the cases, it is paid, right? That means a student will be getting a paid part-time job if they choose to study at Toronto School of Management, and that work placement will be a compulsory part of the course. It is not different from the course. It is not apart from the course. This is compulsory part of the course that will contribute to their final grades. That means the performance during their co-placement will be assessed, and the marks will be contributing towards their final grades, right? So for this co-placement, we have 100 plus co-partners throughout Canada. We have, for example, if I would like to name some, we have Amazon Web Services, we have Digital Marketing Institute, we have agreements with Tableau, we have agreement with Oracle. So depending on the program, if a student is coming for a business diploma, so we will be offering them the co-placement at our partner company where they are looking for management trainees. If the student is coming for IT diploma, so we will be providing them the relevant co-placement. And as I said, that this co-placement is paid. So most of the time, so a student will be getting like up to $14 per hour for their co-placement, part-time co-placement. So that this is the third reason why students choose to study with Toronto School of Management. And another point, that why a student, there is a question arises that why a student should choose a diploma program leading to bachelor's or a ACC program leading to master's. So the main reason to choose our diploma or our ACC program is that if you are coming to Canada for a bachelor's degree or for a master's degree, that will cost you around $80,000 or $70,000. If it is a bachelor, it will cost you around $100,000. If it is a master's, you have to pay at least $50,000 or $60,000 for 2 years. Now, if you are choosing our pathway program, whether it is a diploma, whether it is a ACCA, so you will be completing your bachelor or diploma or MBA in a very economical price. For diploma leading to bachelor, it is the total cost involved is around $55,000. That means in $55,000, student will be getting their diploma as well as their bachelor's degree. So this is the minimum cost you find in entire Canada for a bachelor degree program, right? So in $55,000, a student can complete their bachelor, a Canadian bachelor, within $55,000. That's very attractive. That's a very less expensive option for international student. Pay less and gain more, right? So similarly for our ACCA program, if a student is coming to study ACCA at Toronto School of Management, so they can complete their entire ACCA within $12,000, plus they can proceed to a MBA program at a Canadian university, our partner university in Vancouver. Canadian MBA is believe me, it's a dream for international students. It's a dream for international students to earn an MBA degree from Canada, right? So once the student complete their 9 papers of ACCA at Toronto School of Management, we provide them a progression route to MBA program, and a student can complete their ACCA plus MBA within $35,000 over the period of 4 years, right? So a student can complete ACCA plus MBA in only $35,000. Again, this is a very less expensive, very attractive option for Pakistani students, for specifically for ACCA students. And as I said, pay less, earn more. And once the student are graduated from the university, they will be getting 3 years post-study work permit, and that will ultimately lead them to the final settlement options like PR or TR. So this is the benefit of studying at Toronto School of Management. Get the quality education, pay less, and gain more. So we provide, we support international students in different aspects, with scholarships, with co-placements, with bursaries, with awards. So the fee structure of Toronto School of Management is comparatively less than other education provider in same location, right? So that means that a student can study at a prime location of downtown Toronto in a very uh, quite by paying less and gaining more. A quality education, prime location, co-op placement, guaranteed co-op placements, paid co-op placements, guaranteed pathways to bachelor's and masters. So we have so many things to offer for our Pakistani students, right? So let me share my screen and to further explain the ACCA route we are providing to our ACCA students. So I'm sharing my screen. Please let me know when it is visible. Okay, please let me know if my screen is visible. Anyone? Aisha, Khurram? Hello? Hello? Okay. Okay. So I think it's visible now. This is the academic pathways at Toronto School of Management, ACCA leading to MBA program. Now, what's the structure? We aim to provide uh, 3 papers per semester. That means 6 papers in a year and 9 papers in 1.5 year. So once the student complete 9 papers, we provide them progression route to MBA program at University of Canada West, which is our partner university and located in downtown Vancouver, right? So our starting dates are March and September. To intakes March and September each year. So we are now targeting March intake, and then we will have September 2021 intake. So Toronto School of Management is the only approved provider of ACCA in Canada and North America. That means that besides Toronto School of Management, there is no other approved provider, approved gold provider of ACCA in entire North America and Canada. So that is the big difference between other providers and us. Now here is the structure of ACCA. 9 papers. Most of students would be aware that ACCA had 2 levels: fundamental levels and professional level. Uh, the courses are divided in these 2 levels. So in fundamental levels, there are 6 papers. 3 comes under applied knowledge, and remaining comes under applied skills papers. So once the student complete 9 papers, these 9 papers, uh, 3 in applied knowledge and 6 in applied skills. So we provide them uh, a route to MBA program at University of Canada West. So here is the overview of the academic pathway. Complete
Okay.
complete 9 papers, okay, at Toronto School of Management. That will lead to 2 years MBA, and after that 3 years post-study work permit. So in 4 years, a student can complete dual qualification. And as I was saying in my speech earlier, that the cost involved would be $35,000 over the period of 4 years. So that is the minimum amount you can, that is the minimum amount available for in entire Canada for dual qualification. ACCA plus MBA. When you will be studying MBA at the University of Canada West, you will be getting extra 12,000 scholarship. We are offering a scholarship of $2,800. Okay, sorry, 20, not 28,000, $2,800. The total fee of ACCA is 14,500 somewhere. So we are offering diversity scholarship up to $2,800. So after the deduction of that scholarship, we charge $12,000 for entire 13 papers, right? So $23,000 for MBA program after the scholarship of $12,000. $12,000. So that means that student will be having $12,000 savings, and in 4 years they will be getting two qualification. Yeah, the ACC at Toronto School of Management and University of MBA at University of Canada West, and after that 3 years of post-study work permit, right? And one more important thing and last thing I would like to mention about this ACCA program is that a question arises here that if a student will be studying 9 papers and then will be progressing towards MBA program, so what happens with the remaining 4 papers of ACCA? In order to complete the ACCA qualification, student must complete 13 papers of ACCA program, right? So what we have done, we have designed this MBA program in a manner that we have embedded. This is a kind of embedded program. The 4 papers of final 4 papers of ACCA are merged in this MBA program, like right. So that means a student will be studying that those 4 papers of ACCA final papers as a module in a module of MBA program. So when they will be studying MBA, they will be, they will be continuing two qualification
ACCA.
on parallel. Yep.
Yeah.
The final 4 papers of ACCA plus MBA. Now, if a student wishes to give external examination of ACCA, good to go. Give your examination and complete your entire ACCA. And if they say, okay, we have completed 9 papers and now we do not want to conduct attempt the further papers, no problem at all. You are still completing your MBA, and at the end of 4th year, you will be getting your MBA program. So all options are available for the students, right? They are not stuck in one option. They have multiple options to choose. Whatever is their convenience, they can do accordingly, right? So this was about Toronto School of Management, about our courses. This session was specifically for ACCA program. So that's why I have explained about ACCA. In future, we will be definitely having some other sessions with KHM Consultancy. So in those sessions, I'll be explaining about our diploma programs and diploma pathway programs, right? So now,
and sir, what about the visa policy? I have searched about it, the direct stream and indirect stream. Before that, we used to hear that the visa for Canada is a really big deal. Like only 10% people are almost getting the visa from Pakistan to Canada, and that's really a difficult thing. So, what do you think about it? How can we make it better, or how can we make it in an easy way?
yes,
what about the
absolutely. You are absolutely right that there are 2 streams right now in place for Pakistani students. One is SDS and other one is non-SDS. SDS means that there are 7 countries which are part of this SDS program: Pakistan, India, Vietnam, Philippines, Morocco, and some other countries. So there are 3 requirements in SDS. First is that a student must complete, must submit 1 year tuition fees to their education provider in Canada. Okay? One year fee in advance. The second requirement is that student must deposit $10,000. It's similar like a student's deposit, pay the amount in fixed deposit in Germany. So this is the same thing. Fixed deposit in a Canadian account, in a designated Canadian bank, right? So $10,000 student must deposit in a designated bank in Canada. That's second requirement. Third requirement is that student must score 6 band of IELTS, not less than 6 in each component. That means listening, writing, speaking, and reading. 6 across the band and overall 6. So any student who meets these requirements will be eligible to apply under SDS stream. SDS stream is
Yes.
like, we can say fast track processing, policy, less documentation, less hassle, quick response, and a student in normal circumstances, not in COVID, in normal circumstances, the student get their outcomes within a month, right? So under normal SDS stream,
Yeah.
the outcome comes in 2 months, 3 months, sometime even more than that. But under SDS, in normal circumstances, the outcome is come, in just a month. Okay, so 28, 21
Wow.
working days they take for processing the visa application, but we can,
Mm-hmm.
keep up to 1 month for the final outcome, right? So as I was saying, that quick response, less documentation as
Yeah.
compared to non-stream, non SDS policy, right? Less
Mhm.
hassle, faster processing, and most importantly, the chances of getting visa under SDS stream is quite,
Great.
yeah, bigger than non-SDS stream, right?
Non-stream.
Yep.
Exactly.
So
Okay.
in non-SDS
And
stream,
mhm. Mhm.
yeah,
Yes,
non-SDS
please
stream,
continue.
the visa, yeah, the non-SDS stream, the visa ratio is not so much good, but in SDS stream, it is quite better, and it's getting better day by day. So we are hoping that in 2021 it will reach around to uh, at least 70% or 80%, right? So it will take some time, but definitely it will
Definitely.
reach up to 60, 70 to 80% by the end of 2021. Yes,
That's
yes, Aisha.
amazing. And what about the working opportunities there? Like if a person has done ACCA, MBBA, oh sorry, MBA. So what are the working opportunities there? And what about the settlement in Canada? About the PR and how much time does it take?
Absolutely a wonderful question. And let me tell you example.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, ACCA जो बच्चे करते हैं, they need to complete a 36 months of working, placement
Mm-hmm.
in one of the designated company, right?
So,
तो
mm-hmm.
उसमें फॉर एग्जांपल बिग फाइव कहते हैं उन्हें, वो
Mm-hmm.
पूरी दुनिया में उनके ऑफिसेज होते हैं। तो जो पाकिस्तान का बच्चा होता है, व्हेन ही कंप्लीट्स ACCA एंड वो स्टेप इन करता है किसी बड़ी कंपनी में, जो डेजिग्नेटेड कंपनीज होती हैं, तो वहां पे उसे जो सैलरी
Yes.
मिलती है स्टार्टिंग की, दैट इज अराउंड 20,000, सॉरी 20,000 रुपीज और 25,000 रुपीज एज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। The same student who completes his ACCA
Okay.
in Canada or UK, और वो उन्हीं कंपनीज में स्टेप इन करता है, उन्हीं कंपनीज को ज्वाइन करता है, जो जो कंपनीज पाकिस्तान में है वो कंपनीज वहाँ पे भी मौजूद हैं, ठीक है। उसे जो सैलरी मिलती है स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट उसका सैलरी का होता है, वो $1,500 होता है, ठीक है, USD। तो आप यहाँ से समझ सकते हैं
That's
कि
right.
क्या डिफरेंस है। एक बच्चा जो पाकिस्तान में पढ़ रहा है, ठीक है,
Difference.
सेम स्ट्रक्चर है, सेम कोर्स है, सेम अकॉर्डिंग बॉडी है, एवरीथिंग इज सेम, ठीक है। इवन कंपनीज आर सेम, जो कंपनीज कनाडा
Yeah.
में है, जो कंपनीज पाकिस्तान में, जो कंपनीज सब सेम है। बट द डिफरेंस इन पे, कि पाकिस्तान में जो बच्चा कर रहा है उसको क्या पे मिल रही है, और जो बच्चा कनाडा में कर रहा है उसे क्या पे मिल रही है। तो यहाँ से आप डिफरेंस
Exactly.
समझ सकते
That
हैं
makes a difference.
कि
Yeah.
दैट इज अ बिग 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 डिफरेंस, राइट? सो
Mm-hmm.
जब वो बच्चा,
Okay.
जब वो स्टूडेंट, when he completes his working experience, 36 month experience is required to gain the membership of ACCA। जब वो 36 मंथ पूरे करता है, और तो उसे जो है आगे सेटलमेंट का ऑप्शन तो बहुत सारे होते हैं, ठीक है, PR है, TR है, और
Mm-hmm.
बहुत इजी बन जाता है। बट इन कनाडा द सेम स्टूडेंट विद ACCA मेंबरशिप, जो नॉर्मल उनका एक पे स्केल है, दैट इज अराउंड 70,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर एनुअली, राइट?
Wow.
सो
That's great.
So, yep. So, believe me, ACCA in Canada is a wonderful option. Is a career making, life making option for Pakistani students, especially those who are interested to study accountancy, whether they are from ACCA, whether they are from SEMA, whether they are from any other PIFA. So many
Yeah.
qualifications. So accounting students in
Mhm.
Canada have a very much brighter career, and a wonderful life changing career is waiting for ACCA students in Canada.
Yeah. And what about the scholarships? Are you offering some kind of scholarships for ACCA students or something like that? There should be some scholarships
Yeah,
for
exactly. We are
international
definitely,
students
yeah,
specifically. Yeah.
we are offering two kind of scholarship, right? One is we call it diversity scholarship. Diversity scholarship is available throughout the year for
Mm-hmm.
every student, for every program, whether it is a diploma program, whether it's the ACC program. So students
Mm-hmm.
joining any intake will be eligible to claim the diversity scholarship. That is up to $5,500, and for ACCA it is $2,800. Right. Uh, Besides that
Right.
diversity scholarship, we also offer some kind of additional promotion. Like currently, we are offering international student award, and uh, that is a time bound scholarship. That means that will be ending in January. The scholarship were introduced
Right.
in last May, and since then we are offering. We are
Mm-hmm.
keeping that scholarship continue. So that will be ending in January, in the end of January, and that was up to 6,000 additional promotion, right? Besides
Wow.
505,000, additional $6,000.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we keep offering additional promotions, additional scholarship to support our international students, especially for this part of the world, for India, for Bangladesh, for Pakistan. Okay. So because we know that students from the majority of the students from these region, they always look for less expensive options. So that's why we keep offering them different kind of awards, different kind of discount, different kind of merit scholarship, diversity scholarship. So yes, we do offer to support our
Wow.
international
Yeah. That.
students.
Mhm. Yeah. And second question, that can a person who has done bachelor's in some other field, like literature, you can say, or any other field, sciences or somewhat like that, so can he do MBA?
Yeah, MBA is a general degree. Anyone can do it. Uh, Doctors can do it. Engineers can do it.
It,
It's a
oh wow, that's
general stream. So anyone
mm,
with any
mm,
background, whether from arts, whether from humanities, whether from commerce, science, engineering, whatever, so they can do MBA. But the issue is that they need to prove the relevancy either in a form of education or in a form of working experience, right? So if any student who is not from a business background, they will need to prove their relevancy in a form of working experience, like they are working in some kind of organization or on a managerial role, okay, on a supervisory role. So by this way, they can
mhm.
prove their relevancy and they can pursue their MBA definitely.
Very nice. That's great. And if a person has done ACCA from Pakistan, so is there a good opportunity for him to go Canada and do MBA? Is that a thing that can be done?
Sorry, pardon. Can you repeat the question?
If a person has done ACCA from Pakistan, so is
Mhm.
there a good opportunity for him to pursue his career in MBA and from Canada, like from the University of
Yes,
Toronto
definitely,
and
definitely.
School of Management? Is there a good opportunity for that?
For MBA program, they will need to
Very good. That's
study
great.
at our partner
And what
university.
about the? Okay, okay. And what about the accommodation cost there in Canada?
It depends. It depends on the choices of students' preferences, right? So every student has different preferences of accommodation, whether he wants to have accommodation
Generally.
with a Canadian family or a separate apartment or hostel. So generally, a suitable accommodation can be found around 500 to $800 per month in the location of Toronto.
Okay. And including all the expenses or just the accommodation, like your basic
Just
accommodation?
just the accommodation, just accommodation. Because Toronto is a little bit expensive as
Okay.
compared to other
All
part of
right. That's
Canada
also
because
good.
it's a prime location. So that's
Mhm.
why the accommodation
Yeah,
charges are
exactly.
a bit higher than other part of the country.
Yeah, very good. So we have almost done with all the questions. Let me check the comments if we have any other questions for you. And
Sure.
yeah, okay. So thank you so much, Sir Suhaib. You have guided us in a really amazing way. You have answered all our questions, and what questions do I have? So it's all clear in my mind. And ACCA, it's a really great opportunity for every Pakistani student to go in Canada. And if you are providing such good scholarships there, so that's a really good opportunity. Thank you so much for being here and assisting us in a really better way. Thank you
My pleasure, Aisha, and thank you for having me today. And apologies for the glitches,
so
technical
much.
glitches.
Inshallah, in future we will be collaborating and coordinating with you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.